and welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own spooky spider. And these are the things you're going to need. So we've got some paints here, a pair of scissors, some black paper, those are for the spider's legs, a paper plate, some eyes. What we've done is we didn't have really big eyes, so we made our own. We just drew little dots or big dots on white paper. And I've also got some smaller wiggly eyes, so we're going to have a bit of a mixture. And then to stick them all on, I've got some PVA or wet glue and a paintbrush. And that's it. Now we're ready to get started. The first thing we want to do is to paint our plate. And you can decorate it in any way you want. But what I think I'm going to do with mine is I'm going to paint it green. And here you go. So I've painted this completely green and I've let it dry, so it's dry to the touch, and that means I can glue on my eyes now. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to get my glue, I'm going to get my eyes and my paintbrush, and I'm just going to stick them all on in any sort of random order. And here you go, I'm just finishing my last little eye, sticking it on here. And I'm going to let this completely dry now so they don't fall off. So while I'm waiting for these to dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to cut out my spider legs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 8 long strips out of my paper. Probably about the width of a finger, maybe 2, not too big. So I want to have 8 strips like this here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fan them. So I'm going to fold it one way and turn it around, and then fold it backwards on itself, and then turn that around and fold that backwards on itself, and keep going until I'm nearly the whole way up the leg. So here you go, and you can see my little fan there, and I've left enough of a length here so that I can stick that to the back of my plate. So now I'm just going to make another 7 legs. And here we are. I've got my 7 or 8 legs here, all cut out and folded in a nice zigzag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my plate, which is completely dry, upside down. And I'm going to stick my legs on the back of it, 4 on each side. And here we are. There's all my legs stuck on, but I'm not going to move it too much. I'm going to let them dry for a little while so that they're completely secure, and then I'll turn it round and let you see. So everything's completely dry now, so we're going to have a quick look and see what our spider looks like. Wow! So we've got 8 legs and crazy eyes, and what we're now going to do is just draw on a little mouth, and you can draw a nice smiley face or a zigzag face or something a little bit scarier, whatever you want. So I'm just going to use some paints here to draw in or to paint in a smile. And it can be a scary smile, maybe a zigzag, or just a nice big happy smile. I think I'm going to go for a nice big happy smile. And there you are, there's the spider. And I've drawn in some little vampire teeth on the end. Please do share your little creations with us. We'd love to see your scary spiders using the hashtag FEArtSchool. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!